A very good morning to all present here. I am standing here to present a speech on the topic national integration. It is a very significant aspect as it has a deep bearing on the country's unity and integrity. What exactly does national integration mean? It means the realization of collective identity among the natives of a country. It signifies that even though we all belong to diverse religions, regions, castes, and speak different languages, we must always feel that we all are one. Such feeling of oneness is very crucial for building a prosperous and strong nation. The real meaning of integration is the existence of multifarious identities with a unifying thread. In the words of Benjamin Franklin, national integration is the assimilation of the entire people of a country to a common identity. India has a vast land and people from diverse communities, cultures, and castes inhabit the space. It seems almost impossible to hold all of them together, and it was owing to these religious and cultural differences that the country lost its independence in the past. Now that our country is free, it should be our first and foremost responsibility to preserve its integrity and honor from external threats and internal dissension. National integration not only helps in the formation of a strong country, but also encourages the development of its people. In India, the period from 19th November to 25th November is celebrated as the National Integration Week to raise awareness about the subject matter among the common public. The idea of national integration has also led to the obliteration of social and religious differences. So, if people of our country stand in unity, many societal issues can be eradicated. People of different faith and communities who used to uphold their religion over others are gradually realizing the importance of oneness and are standing in support of the country's unity and honor. National integration has led to the formation of an invisible thread of unity which binds different parts of the country. It has certainly added to the country's strength. During the struggle for independence also, people of our country came together to win freedom from the unjust foreign rule. In the end, I would like to say that we as Indian citizens must stand united for protecting national security. There is a famous citation by Emmanuel Cleaver on national integration which says that there is more power in unity than division. Hence, we must always remain united irrespective of all our social, linguistic, and religious differences. Thank you.